So if this happens to be your first time on my YouTube channel, I'll be so happy to see you subscribe and like this video. So as we all know, these athletes are not robots. Okay, they have emotions, they fell in love, they have feelings also. We the fans are the one that are pushing this athlete, thinking they are robots. All they need to do is run for us and give us good times. But the honest truth, let's be honest, the honest truth is that they fell in love, they have feelings too, they are human beings just like we are. And it's so surprising to find out that Akeem Blake and Shaccarri have a little connection together. Below are the full details of Shaccarri and Akeem Blake. Whether they are relationship in no or not, you will know now. So in case you don't know, one thing about Shaccarri is that she loves Jamaican people. That is just the truth, because she has recently fallen in love with Janik Brown of Jamaica. This is the guy here. She recently fell in love with a Jamaican guy known as Janik Brown, but they have break up. They are no more in relationship, maybe due to some issues, but she said he is not taking care of her feelings the way he is supposed to. That's why they break up. As for Akeem Blake and Shaccarri, from the way they could snap, you could see the chemistry, the way they are smiling. It's a sign of good kind of communication between them. But I feel like they are matched to be with each other. I mean, Akeem Blake is so handsome. If I am a girl, if Akeem Blake could date me, then I would definitely agree to him. Very handsome guy.